This is 420 Ohio's Medical Marijuana Product Reviews. Master Kush is an indica strain cultivated by Mother Grows Best out of Canton, Ohio. This cannabis distillate, used for vaping, has been extracted using ethanol. It is packaged and sold under the brand Verano. I hadn't yet reviewed one of Ohio's distillates here, so I thought I'd give this one a try from Verano, a company I have not yet reviewed a product from. The cart comes packed in a black cardboard box similar to an eyedropper. I really love the use of the logo on the box and throughout the design, quite elegant. Inside, the cart itself is sealed in a recyclable black plastic tube that was a little difficult to open. It is worth noting that my unit did not come with a vaping battery. Patients will need a battery in order to medicate with this product. No special battery like the AeroPro is required. This cart even comes with a metal ring for those with magnetized vape batteries. My first few pulls from this strain yielded a rather inexplicable flavor. Instead of the usual rush of sweet, lemon, or even herbal notes, Master Kush tasted like my mother's beloved chili rice, a family favorite. Recipe in the description. In other words, this strain hits you hard with spice, specifically something akin to cumin or chili powder. This is followed by an intense peppery bite and a mild aftertaste reminiscent of an orange rind. While this one took some getting used to, I rather enjoyed the overall palate. Very refreshing. Medicinally, this distillate was recommended for its smooth euphoria, best used to unwind before bed, reduce inflammation, and relax the body. The effects of Master Kush start working within only a few pulls. I was swept into a warm, relaxing state and could feel gentle massages around my temples and ankles. Pain and tension was reduced during my medication period, especially muscle pains, which washed away as I laid down. I was surprised by how much mental engagement I felt with this strain too, but it didn't stop me from sleeping. Rather, this is a great strain to try about an hour or so before bed. It'll help you finish out those last-minute tasks before you trek off to slumber. Overall, Master Kush is an excellent vaping cart that's mild on the lungs, curiously spicy in flavor, and loaded with relaxing inflammation relief. If you're looking for an indica cannabis distillate, give Master Kush a try. Final rating, 4.8 out of 5. Be sure to like and subscribe below, or share this video on Reddit or social media. And don't forget to visit www.420oh.io for the full review of Master Kush, as well as other Ohio medical marijuana strains and products. Thanks.